last topic or last part of prepositions. This is number 5, section number 5 here. So we'll talk about compound prepositions. This is the fifth and the last type of prepositions. So what are حروف الجر المركبة? What are compound prepositions? These are numerous and of various types. We have different types of compound prepositions. Examples: in spite of, بالرغم من, with regard to, instead of, in comparison with. Well, if you want to have a look to the full list, please go to page 172. When you go to page 172, you can read the whole list, a full list on the ing prepositions. There is a note here about the ing prepositions. Some words could be either prepositions or adverbs. If they are followed by a complement and object, they should be prepositions. But when they come last in a sentence, not followed by a complement, they are adverbials. So you see that when we say she looked up the stair, she looked up the stair. Now how can we differentiate between a preposition and an adverb? In this example, she looked up. She looked up there. Here, up is a preposition. Why? Because it is followed by the complement, which is the stair. But once again, in the second example, when we say she looked up, here up in the second example is an adverb because it is not followed by a noun. Example number 3, they went inside the classroom. Here, inside is a preposition because it is followed by a noun class, by a noun phrase, which is the class. And in the fourth example, they went inside, only inside. Here, inside is an adverb because it is not followed by a complement. So when usually a preposition is followed by a complement. There should be a complement. If there is a complement, which is a noun or a noun phrase or one of these four options, like in this example, so here we have a preposition. But if there is no complement, as in second example, she looked up in this example here, so this is simply not a preposition. It is an adverbial because it is not followed by a complement or by a noun or a noun phrase.